A time when I was in a bit of a depressive episode. And there was this little bluebird who quite literally came to my window every day to make sure that I got up out the bed. To be honest, that's what it felt like. And so this song that I'm about to perform is called A Little Bluebird. A little bluebird came to my window this morning. He tapped on, said good rise and good morning. He told me to come outside, so I rise. He told me to come outside, so I rise. He said he had a message for me, so I listened. He whispered in my ear with a little tweet. You can't fail if you try. Flap your wings, you'll fly. So I flap my wings to the ground. Is it worth it? You down, look how you're soaring now. You are the one, you know, not the 2, 3, or 4. Don't let life get you down, look how you're soaring now. You are the one, you know, not the 2, 3, or 4. Don't let life get you down, look how you're soaring now. Thank y'all. How much time do I have? Can I sing another one or are we out of time? One more? Okay. All right, so this next song I wrote about a love